Okay, for today's word study, we're going to talk about two new trick words. The first trick word is the word own, like I own a car. So, if we wanted to stretch it out and think about the sounds that we hear O, say its name. So, own. And usually, when a vowel says its name, it's going to be a vowel, consonant, E. So, if we spelled own like this, does that look right? No, what word did we spell? We spelled the other trick word, one. So we know that we cannot spell own like this. Sometimes we know that O says its name with a vowel buddy like OA, own, like that. But that still does not look right. There's one more sound that says O. Do you remember? O-W-O, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So it's going to be O-W-N, own. This is how we spell the word own when we're talking about something that belongs to us. We own it. We bought it. It's ours. We own it. All right. The second trick word that we're going to spell today is the trick word want. This is a really tricky one. It tricks people all the time. So if I spell want, want. Almost every first grader loves to spell want like this because it sounds and looks like the word want. It should be the word want. So then I'll tell people, go back and look at your word want, and guess what they want to do? W-H-O-N-T, want. Because sometimes we know W-H spells what, right? But want is not a question word, so we're not going to use a WH. We don't want to use WH for this word. Oops, let me go like this. So, and we know that this isn't right either. So the tricky part in the word want is that O. It's not going to be an O. We want to spell the word want with an A. So this O that's not supposed to be an O, we need to change it to an A. And that is the heart letter in the word want. It's the letter that doesn't really make sense. So make sure that you're practicing those two trick words this week, own and want. All right, now that we know own and want, we're ready for our sentence. So our first sentence today, actually I guess it's our only sentence today, is do you want to own that toy? Do you want to own that toy? Look at their sentence frames and think about, or you can even tap them on your screen, the sentence frames that would make the sentence, do you want to own that toy? Hopefully you started with this one. We know that all sentences have to start with a capital letter. Do you want to own, and I'm running out of space, so I'm going to go all the way back over here, that toy. And what do we need to remember if we're done with the sentence? That's right, we have to stop it with a stopper. So here's our sentence. Do you want to own that toy? All right, now that we're done with our sentence frames, think about where we're going to use the word own and where we're going to use the word want. Go ahead and find it. Do you want to own that toy? Do you want? Did you tap this third one for the word want? Do you want to own that toy? Good. So now that we know where our words go, I want you to think about what kind of stopper goes here. Let me read the sentence again and hopefully you'll get a clue. Do you want to own that toy? Very good. It should be a question mark. We want it to be a question mark because we're asking a question. We want it to be a question mark. And you could even tell by the way that I read it. Do you want to own that toy? Did you hear how my voice changed? I'm not telling, I'm not really excited about it. I want to know something, so we need to make sure that we end our sentence with a question mark. It tells people how to read your sentence, and it also lets them know that you want them to answer. All right, make sure that you're practicing those trick words want and that trick word own. You might even want to get a piece of paper now and practice the whole sentence on your own. Do you want to own that toy? All right, good luck.